tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic: how to make money online in Ghana. The beauty of the internet is that it opens up countless opportunities for anyone, regardless of their background or experience. Whether you are looking to earn a little extra cash or build a full-time income, there is something here for everyone. Okay, so let's start with freelancing. To make money online, freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. It's flexible and allows you to work from anywhere. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for help. To succeed in freelancing, you will need skills in areas such as writing articles, writing blogs, or copywriting. You can also design graphics, like create logos, marketing materials, or social media graphics. Or you can enter into web development by building and maintaining websites. By showcasing your skills on these platforms, you can attract clients and start earning money online. Okay, so next up is online tutoring. This is a fantastic way to share your knowledge while making money online. Online tutoring platforms like tutor.com, School allow you to connect with students who needs help in various subjects. Popular subjects include mathematics, science, and languages. If you have any expertise in any of these areas, consider signing up on tutoring platform or even offering a local option through social media. Okay, so now let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, this involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. To get started, choose a niche that interests you. This could be anything from fashion to technology or finance. Join affiliate marketing like Amazon Associate or local Ghanaian businesses that offer affiliate opportunities. By sharing your unique link on social media or a blog, you can start earning passive income. Now, another way to make money online is to selling products online. Yes, another option is selling products online. You can use platforms like Etsy, Equid, Shopify, or other online store platforms or Jumia for general sales. Whether you create your own product or source them from a supplier, there is a potential to earn money. Key tips include: take high quality photos of your products, write detailed description that highlights features and benefits. Good presentation can significantly increase your chances of making sales online whilst you sell your products online here. So another interesting thing you can talk about here, or you can also do to make money online, is blogging or vlogging. So if you enjoy sharing your thoughts and experience, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel. Choose a topic you are passionate about. That could be travel, cooking, fashion, or technology. To monetize your channel, use ads through Google AdSense or YouTube monetization, or you can also partner with brands for sponsorship, or you can join affiliate programs. Creating engaging content consistently can lead to substantial earning over time. And blogging is also another way to make money online in Ghana here passively. Okay, so next we can talk about surveys and market research. Finally, let's discuss money making through surveys and market research. Many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions. Websites like Swagbars and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys that you can complete in your spare time. While this might not pay much compared to other methods, it's an easy way to earn money online. Earn some extra cash without much commitment. To recap, we have explored several ways to make money online in Ghana: freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, selling products online, blogging and vlogging, and participating in surveys. Each of these options has its unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your skills and interests. Now, it's time for you to take action. Try out one of these methods and see what works best for you. We would love to hear about your experience. Share them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with friends who might be interested in making money online. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.